Hello, Saune. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's very nice. How is your weekday so far?
It's good.
It was? Is it good? What's this? What's this, Saune? Okay. Okay. So is it good? Are you done with your exams?
Yes.
Okay, that's very nice. Okay, now today you are going to,
Review.
are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure? Wait a minute. Okay, wait for a while. Teacher is going to check, okay? Wait for a minute. Okay, we will review the lesson 1 to 3. Okay? Review.
Review what you have learned in lesson 1, 2, and 3.
Very good. Now in this review, okay, um you are going to review what you have learned in lesson 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now this time, let's have the lesson 1 review. Wait a minute.
Uh, the S is over.
Wait a minute, Taune. I think it's not lesson 1, football, Blue Lagoon. How about? Wait a minute. Okay.
Mm,
It's correct. Okay. So here, choose and complete. You have
over.
oval, used to, university, and instead of. Number 1, what's the answer? The egg is
Over.
very good. The egg is oval. Okay, how about this one? Sensual.
Uh, E. Uni. C. E. Very farmer.
Mm-hmm. Tsinghua University is very famous. Famous. Okay, are you done? Now,
Yeah.
can you choose and complete Taune? Here, 3 and 4. Choose the correct answer.
My black R2.
Miss Black
R2.
used to use
You to.
to.
To be a bird. C is similar.
Yes, very good. So, the answer is Miss Black used to be fat, but is slim now. Okay, very good, Tony. How about number 4? Can you answer number 4?
Jack wants reading a book in intense or singing song.
Very good. So, jam. Wait a minute. Okay, wait for me, Tawne. I'm going to write the answer so you can remember, okay? Used to. And this one is instead of, right? Okay, Jack. Okay. So Jack wants to read book
Here, you
instead.
can reading yes,
Huh?
reading is.
Okay. Okay, next we have recall an answer. Recall an answer. Who is the man in the picture?
It's a father, father
Who's the man? It's
is a father,
it's Timmy's
Jimmy's father.
father friend. Okay, it's Timmy's father friend. Now, what did he used to do? Hmm?
He play football.
Okay, very good. He
He,
used to play foot. He used to play football. What happened? Okay, he used to play football. Okay, correct answer. How about this one? Do Americans call it soccer?
no,
Okay, what
he
is that?
say football.
Okay, they call it
Football.
football. Very
Football.
good. Okay, how about this one? What does Pedro call the game played with an oval ball?
Um,
Oval. What do we call with that one?
mm, Circle.
Is it football or is it football or soccer?
Soccer.
Hmm?
Soccer.
Soccer. Very good. It's soccer ball. Okay. Now this time you are going to try to retell the story, Tawne. Can you try? Try. Let us try to retell the story.
Timmy asked about the man in the picture. Borrow says that's his father, and he used to play football.
Okay.
Timmy tells Borrow that the sport isn't called football.
Mm-hmm.
America tennis is football. Is America. Football is no game is a play with ball.
Mm-hmm.
Ball
With
say they
oval
car
ball. Okay.
over
Very-
ball
Pedro says they call it
is is Soccer.
Very good. Okay, good job. So, Timmy tells Pedro that the sport isn't called football. American call it soccer, okay? They used to call it soccer, not football. So, in America, football is another game. It's played with oval ball. Pedro says they call it football.
Soccer.
Sorry. Okay. They call it soccer. Okay. Very good, Tone. Now, let's try to review. Let's try to review the lesson 2. Can you match and say here? Okay, you have the word get ready to, tug of war, campfire, and walk. Get ready to,
Get ready to
campfire,
tour of tomorrow.
campfire,
Campfire by building one foot in on the over.
okay. So let's connect it down eh. Number 1 is get ready to is to. Is it here? Number 4? What's the answer? To move forward by
Number
putting one fruit.
3.
Huh? Get ready to. A game played with a rope and both teams. A fire that you light up doors when you are camping. To move forward by putting one foot in front of the other. Or to be prepared. What's the answer?
1.
Get ready to. Get ready to is get ready to means you are preparing. Okay, you are prepared. For example, you are going to the school.
4.
Okay, so you are going to prepare of what we are going to do. You are going to prepare your meal. You are going to prepare your bag, your school uniform, your shoes. That is what we call get ready to. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the answer? Okay. So the answer is to be prepared. Very good. For what you are going to do. Okay. How about tug of war? Tug of war. Tug of war.
2.
Tug
3.
of
3.
war. Tug of war, that is you are going to have team, opponent team. And then you have the rope. And then you are going to pull the rope.
1. 1. Uh-huh.
Okay, very good. Campfire. What is a campfire?
2,
Very good. And
3,
very good. Okay, walk is to move forward by putting one foot in front of the other or the other. Okay? Very good, Tony. Now, tug of war is a game played with a rope and both teams pull opposite ends of it. Okay, that's great. Okay? Next, let us recall the answer, Tony. You need to recall the answer.
Timmy and with friend go to the Blue Lake.
Mm-hmm.
He go to they go to because they go camping.
Okay. So Timmy and his friend went to Blue Lake. They had a great day there. Where did Timmy and his friend go? They
They go to um they go to
they went
Blue Lake.
because it's past
They
tense, okay? They went to the
Blue
blue
Lake.
very good Blue Lake. Okay. How about what did what did they do there in the morning? What did they do there in the morning?
They walk
Mm-hmm. Okay. Walk where?
a road.
Along the Blue Lake. Okay? They walk along the Blue Lake. Okay, they walk around, sorry. They walk around. Okay, they walk around the Blue Lake. Okay, next. What did they eat for lunch? A. Noodles. B. Kebab. Or letter C. Roast beef.
Mm,
Hmm? What's the answer?
first in first table
Mm-hmm.
in the lunch.
Okay, very good. Okay. They have fruit kebab. Kebab. Okay. What did they think of the lunch? A, is it was a big success or it was very boring?
Is a big
Big?
pleasure.
Hmm? It was
Here,
big success. Very good. Success. Okay. Now, another. What did they do in the afternoon?
um, they they play ta town of war and swimming and give many flowers.
Okay, very good. Wait a minute. So Cindy collected some flowers.
Give clusters
Mm-hmm. Cindy collected some flowers. What else?
and
Sam.
the
What? Sam.
Sam is swimming.
Very good. Sam went swimming. How about the others? And the others
Together they play town of war.
playing
Power of war.
Very good. Playing tug of war. Now, what did they do in the evening, Tawne?
They sing in song, but Timmy is asleep. They
They they sang songs, dance, and what happened to Timmy?
and Timmy is asleep.
Okay, and Timmy fell as very good. And Timmy fell asleep. Okay. Okay. Now look and say. Okay, you are going to retell the story, Taune. Number one, in the morning, at the lunchtime, in the afternoon, and in the evening. So what happened in the Blue Lake in the morning? Huh? They walk around in the morning. They walk around the hmm? In the morning they walk around the Blue Lake.
Rulers.
Okay?
And after lunchtime, we eat some fruit. A fruit.
Okay, at the lunchtime we eat some fruit. How about in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, the city give a flower.
Mm-hmm.
Some in swimming
When
and together
and others?
is power of war.
Yes, we're good. And others playing tug of war. How about in the evening?
In the evening, they sang song and dance.
Okay, very good. They sang song,
Dance. But
dance.
Timmy is asleep.
Very good. Timmy fell asleep. Okay, now this time, let's write down what you want to think about winter camps and what would you like.
I like farming in the near lodge.
Okay, very good. So how about here in lesson 3? Lesson 3?
Um, John, you can reading this.
Okay. Number
You
1,
can reading.
I love watching blank because they make me laugh. Number 1, what's the answer? What movies that can make you laugh?
Come here, Jun, Junet.
Okay, the answer is comedy. Okay? I,
Comedy.
I love watching comedy movies because they make me laugh. How about there are lots of tall trees and plants
Carmary.
in a
The
jungle.
Carmary.
Jungle. The
Young
answer is jungle. Okay, next. Choose and complete.
I feel scared when I watch horror movie.
Mm-hmm.
A documentary.
Okay, very. I feel scared when I watch horror. Horror, Tony. Okay? I feel scared when I watch horror movies. This one. A blank shows a real event.
A comedy story.
It's
So read events.
documentary. Documentary shows real events. Okay, this time you are going to match. Okay, very good. So, Dad think that documentary is best. Well, Jimmy wants to have horror movie. Okay. Mom wants to have comedy movie. Very good. Another. Okay. What do other things of their suggestion? Okay, Timmy hates documentary. He thinks they are boring. How about mom? What does mom thinks about comedy movie?
Boring.
Huh? What is mom's
Because he not
He's
is
not.
a documentary.
Okay, he don't want. Okay, here. Mom don't want to scare Timmy and Cindy, okay? So that's why he doesn't like horror movie, right? Okay, so okay, Tony, we are done with our lesson. So thank you for joining Teacher Julie the class this evening. You had a wonderful review, and I'm gonna say bye bye. Bye bye. Good night.